Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you two simple face packs for beautiful glowing skin. Hope you like it. Flax seeds are very good to consume daily, and also you can apply it directly on the skin and also hair. So take some flax seeds which are easily available. Say 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a pan. Add some water and boil it in the low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring it in between. Once you feel that the flax seeds have settled at the bottom, then you can understand that the starch has formed. So you can reduce the flame or turn it off completely. After cooling, take it into a different bowl. Now my secret tip, I use coffee powder along with the basin to make my face pack every now and then. So take some coffee powder, basin and add this starch to that. Make it into a smoother paste and apply it on your face. Once it's dry, wash it off. Do try it. You need consistency in whatever you do. You'll find the result. I am also sharing with you one more face pack which you can easily make at home with all the available vegetables in your kitchen. So I took cucumber, carrot, radish and potato, grated them and made it into a smoother paste that is very good to remove the dark circles, black spots, and it bleaches the skin naturally and gives you a glow. So you can use a cotton ball to apply on your eyes, and for the skin you can apply directly. Do try it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you soon.